So my name is Ronald Meru. I'm a director of UBA PESA platform. So UBA PESA is a digital lending platform. So it's a peer-to-peer lending application. So right now the way it works is that we connect borrowers to lenders. And when I say UBA PESA, it's not the normal taxi, it's UBA PESA, which is in Swahili. So just representing the basic concept of connecting borrowers and lenders. So the way it works is if you're a lender and you have some money from as little as 1,000 shillings or your 2,000 shillings, you can put it on the app. And once you connect, the lender is able to put the money on a platform and it matches any borrower who's looking to get some money out of the platform. So once the lender puts in the money, they decide whether they want to lend to one person or multiple borrowers. So the borrowers have to go through a credit scoring platform, and we are able to know who is lending, what is their credit score based on the partnerships we have with the people like Metropol, who have they've got the credit scoring of all the Kenyans in the country. And with that, you are able to now know what limit do you want to give this specific person. It could also be in terms of if the credit score is quite high, they are entitled to get a higher amount. If the score is not very good, they get an amount based on their credit score. Once you do that, the next item that you get to decide is the period of your loan. You either can get a 10-day loan or a 20-day loan. And based on this also, you have a different interest rate on the borrowing. So once the money is borrowed, let's say for a 10-period loan, the person will get the money into their account automatically using the M-PESA platform, and it goes into a pay bill. Once you pay into that pay bill, as a lender, the money now will be dispersed to the borrower, less a facilitation fee, obviously, that is kept by the platform holder, which is UBA PESA. And then from there, after the 10 days, the person will pay back the money with a specific facilitation fee that had been requested by the lender at the time of disbursing the loan. So this is a matching platform. Basically, you have a money market where lenders, borrowers just put in the money and exchange based on the different categories. Then the next part comes in terms of default guarantee. The question is, the lender will ask, what happens if the money is not returned? So what at UBA PESA we do is that in a 90-day period, you are able to get back your principal in case the person does not give back the money in time. So this ensures that a lender never loses their money. So that is a 90-day guarantee that you'll get your principal back in case the borrower who borrowed does not bring back the money. So that's the main agenda of it. Basically, it was built from the platform of the Uber taxis, basically where you connect people who have cars and passengers. So this app basically connects people with money who want to give money to borrowers who are looking for money, and it's instantaneous. So this is a platform, it's keeping evolving. There's a time we had put it on hold where we're doing credit only lending our money. So we're still evolving and seeing how to keep improving it. We also want to improve by having insurance products on it. I know Kenyans try to be very smart. We've seen all types of things happening on that platform. You cannot borrow in bulk. You'll only borrow to the amount that you have borrowed, to that limit that you are entitled to. So once that limit is exhausted, you will not be able to borrow again until you repay. So that's one mitigation plan that we have on the platform to ensure that people don't have multiple borrowings. So that's one thing we've made sure we don't have on the platform. Market reception has been very good. Obviously, it is a new innovation in the country. And this is also going to make sure, at least, instead of people playing gambling and all, at least they have a place to invest their money and to make sure that it's secure. Then also what we've tried to do is also to limit that people don't borrow. We check on your credit score. If it's been used for gambling and all, we also do not allow that, because basically we don't want people to be borrowing, to be maybe using it to play and to gamble with it. So we want to make sure it's something that helps everybody in the society and make sure that there is financial inclusion in the country.